Hi, good evening, everyone. I hope everyone's excited for today's game. Firstly, let's have two representatives from both teams, from Scheme and from Chunabhatti. So, from Chunabhatti, who's going to be the team captain?
I am the team captain.
Okay, Neil. And from Scheme?
Flavia.
Okay. So, let's go with Scheme first. So, Darlene,
Hi.
hi. Alicia,
Hi.
Flavia.
Hi.
So, let's move to Chunabhatti. Neil,
Hi.
Nikhil,
Hi.
Rita,
Hi, Tiana.
hi. Lani, Steffi.
Hi.
Okay. I hope you are very excited. I am really excited, and I hope you are playing to win. And I hope you've understood all the rules of the games. And now let's toss the coin.
Yep, alright, here we go. Okay, who's calling? We let Flavia pick. Flavia, heads or tails?
Head.
It's tails again. Right, tails.
So, Nikhil, Neil, would you want to go first or second?
First.
Okay, that's the spirit. You want to go first. If we can have the board. So, Neil, if as you know the rules, you have to pick one character and we will ask a question to that character. Whatever answer that character gives, just that agree or disagree and try to form a tic-tac-toe, okay? So pick a number quickly.
One, Sister Amla.
Okay. Sister Amla, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Your question is, what is Elton John's real name?
Reginald Dwight.
Okay. Neil, do you agree or disagree? Do you think Elton John's name is Reginald White?
This game.
I disagree.
Unfortunately, his name is Reginald Dwight, which is my father's name is also Reginald, and I'm really surprised I didn't
Bill.
know Elton John's name
You
was
didn't blame
Reginald
me.
Dwight. So you don't get this point. We pass on this square to the other team. We've already have one square given to the other team. Flavia, who's going next from your team?
Alicia.
Okay, Alicia. Alicia, so you have to pick a square.
Yes.
Pick a number.
5.
Okay. Sister Esperance, are you ready for your question?
Yes.
On the Academy Award statue, what is Oscar standing on?
A reel of film.
Okay. Lisa, do you agree or disagree with the answer?
Agree?
Okay. Have you seen the Oscars? Have you seen that Oscar trophy?
No.
Okay, but you still gave the right answer. It is the reel of films, so you get that square.
Wow, congratulations, Alicia.
Yes, sister. Thank you.
A wild guess, but you got it right. Let's go to Chunabhatti. So, Neil, who's going next from your team?
Slani.
Okay, Slani. Slani, pick a number.
Number 9.
Okay.
Father Nadal.
The question is for you. How long in feet is the Brooklyn Bridge?
Uh, 6,344.
Okay. So, Slani, do you agree or disagree to this answer?
Disagree.
Great. The correct answer is 5989 feet. That's how long the Brooklyn Bridge is in
He
feet.
said wrong. Yeah. Must say like.
But good, you have secured the board and you haven't let it go. So let's move on to the next team now. From Scheme, who is going next? Flavia, who is going next from Scheme?
I.
Okay, pick a number. You guys are currently leading, so pick a number quickly.
7, Sister Abita.
Okay. So, Sister Abita, are you ready for your question? How many US soldiers were killed in the movie Black Hawk Down?
I think 372.
Oh my god, 372 soldiers were killed.
Yes.
Do you agree to that answer? Flavia, do you agree?
Yes.
There weren't that many. There were only 18 soldiers killed. So you don't get this square. This square goes to Chuna Bhatti. So they picked 7. I see a very close competition now. From Chuna Bhatti, who is going next?
Nikita.
Okay. Nikita, pick a square.
Yes. 8.
Okay. Sister Cynthia. Sister Cynthia, are you ready for your question?
Yes. Yes, Sienna.
Okay. Which fictional Kansas town is the earthly home of the young Superman?
Kansas.
Okay.
Okay.
Nikita, do you agree or disagree?
Can you repeat the question?
Which fictional town is the earthly home of the young Superman? Which fictional Kansas town is the earthly home of young Superman?
Okay.
And Sister Cynthia's answer was Kansas. Agree or disagree?
uh,
I hope you're not Googling.
no. Disagree?
It is Kansas, so you don't get that point. The square
Okay.
goes to the opposite team. And now again I see the competition is going from here to there. So let's see now. Scheme, who's going next?
Alicia.
Okay. Alicia, are you ready?
Yes.
Pick a square.
2nd.
Okay.
It's not there.
I will answer. Okay, you.
So who's answering for Sister France?
Amala.
Okay. So who recorded The Fool on the Hill in 1968?
The Beatles.
Okay. So Lisha, do you agree or disagree to this answer?
Agree.
Agree. That is the right answer. Congratulations, you get the board. So big round of applause to everyone. So now I hope you're getting a hang of this game.
Yes.
Yes. So are you ready for the next board?
Yeah.
Okay. But before we go to the next board, let's change. Let's just raise a bar of excitement. This game goes like this. There will be a clue given. You have to guess the song and sing it. Okay? This game is for everyone. You will not have points for this. It's just to change the mood a little bit, and everyone can play. So guess the song and sing it. You will only win it if you sing the song. Okay? First song is. You have to sing it quickly. Come on.
You have to sing this.
Okay, I'll give you a clue. It is a Hindi. The Hindi song is translated in English.
Yeah.
Come on, quickly. I'll begin the countdown. Let's see who guesses the answer correctly. 10, 9, 8, 7,
Moving moves like
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nobody got this. This one is so easy. एक लड़की को देखा तो. Still you're not getting it. Yeah. Okay. Let's try. Let's just try one more time. Let's see if you guess this one.
और हिंदी सॉन्ग में बोलिंग हिंदी
No,
सॉन्ग
it's Hindi songs. You have to guess the Hindi song. Participants, Chunabhatti scheme, Nana.
Pehla nasa, pehla kumar.
Okay, I think this is Nikhil. Good job. Next, come on, quickly. I want you to guess quickly.
तुम पास आए यूं मुस्कुराए.
Sing. No reciting. Sing it. Oh,
मुस्कुराए तुमने न जाने क्या सपने देखा.
very good. We'll go to the next one.
टिप टिप बरसा पानी.
Okay.
टिप बरसा पानी.
पानी में आग.
Good. Let's take one last one. Is this tough? जब भी कोई लड़की देखो मेरा दिल दीवाना बोले. Sing the last part. Okay, let's go back to our game now. Scheme won the board. Scheme won the board. So if Scheme wins this board again, they win the entire game. And if Chunabhatti wins this board, then we'll have a third board. So, Scheme, are you ready to go first? Who's going?
Yes.
Flavia, who's going?
Darling.
Okay, Darlene. Darlene, pick a number. You have a fresh board now, so pick a number.
1.
Okay. So I think I see a pattern. Whenever you play tic-tac-toe, you start with the corners, right? Is that a trick? Have I cracked your game technique? Have I
Yes.
cracked your game technique? Very nice. Let's see if you win this board. Now that I've exposed your technique. So, Mr. Ramla, are you ready for your second question?
Yes.
Which country did the Venetian blinds originate?
Australia.
Okay. And do you agree or disagree? Do you think the Venetian blinds originated in this country, Australia?
Agree?
No, you are wrong. They originated in Persia. So, Chunabhatti gets this square.
Good luck for next time.
Yeah. So now next, Chunabhatti, who is going to pick a number?
Steffi.
Okay. Steffi, are you ready?
Yes.
Steffi, pick a number.
I'll go with 5.
Okay. Sister Esperance,
Yes.
what is the only major city located on 2 continents?
Kabul.
Kabul. Okay. Do you agree or disagree? Steffi, do you agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Okay, you are right. The country that is situated on 2 continents is Istanbul. So you get the square. So Scheme, are you ready? Who's going next from Scheme?
Lisha.
Okay. Lisha, pick a number.
9.
Okay.
Nine.
Brother Ralph, your question is, Taekwondo was developed in what country?
Japan.
Okay. Lisha, do you agree or disagree? Do you think Taekwondo developed in this country?
China.
In Japan.
Disagree.
Okay. You are right. It is
Korea.
from Korea. It's not from
Korea.
Japan.
Yeah.
So you get the square. It was very close. If you would have said it's agree, thinking it's Japan, they would have got the board. But I think you're here to win. So let's go to Chuna Bhatina. Who's going next?
I will go.
Okay. Neil, pick a number.
I will take 8.
Okay. Sister Cynthia.
I'm ready.
What does a manometer measure?
Pressure.
Okay. Neil, do you agree or disagree?
Disagree.
She gave the right answer. You don't get the square because the right answer was pressure. And the square goes to Scheme. So Scheme, who is going next?
I.
I who?
Flavia.
I am who I am. Who is I? I didn't get your name. Who's going next?
Flavia.
Okay, that's better. Flavia, who's pick a number.
7.
7. Sister Abita,
Yes.
your question is: in which country do people traditionally eat KFC for Christmas?
I think Japan.
Okay. So, Flavia, do you agree or disagree?
Yes, I agree.
That's the right answer. That's a weird tradition. Do you think we should also try eating KFC for Christmas? And I see Scheme has won the board. So,
Yay!
congratulations, you guys have won the game. It was such a short game. It lasted 15 minutes. And I think you'll cracked it with your technique. Even though I exposed your technique, you'll crack the game. So, do you guys want to continue? Congratulations, first of all. Do you guys want to continue the previous game, which we were playing, the short one, which has no points? And then let's wrap up.
Yes, yes.
So, your hint is sing it. I need to hear you guys sing it.
तेरी काली काली आंखें
Doo-doo-doo.
मेरे गाल
Yeah, sing the whole part.
काली काली आंखें
Doo-doo.
तेरे गोरे गोरे गाल तेरे
Don't be shy, sing it. You're doing well. Okay, next. I'll do the hook step for it. Come on, it's very easy. Just think. It's
बोले चूड़िया बोले कंगना
Sing it. I need you guys to sing it.
बोले चूड़िया
हाँ, आगे.
बोले कंगना हाय मैं हो गई तेरी साजना तेरे बिन नहीं लगता मैं तो मर जावा ले जा
You guys won, so I think Steam is singing because they won. They are all in the winning spirit. Okay, I think this is the last or the second last one. Easy, very easy. Think of it. Yeah, who sang?
Ramla is singing for you.
Sing.
Nimuda.
And
Continue. Ziana, you can continue.
okay, this everyone can sing. Come on, everyone sing this song.
पानी से नहाना चाहिए
Yes, Cynthia knows the songs. Thanda Pani.
Sing. I heard only the first two lines singing.
ठंडे ठंडे पानी में नहाना चाहिए गाना आए ना आए फिर भी गाना चाहिए.
Okay. This has a Madhuri Dixit and Salman Khan film. Think. Think. Come on, you guys won. Even Chunavati, I need someone from your team also to sing. Neil, Nikhil,
अभी तेरा देवर दीवाना.
yeah, it's Didi Tera Devar Divana. Sing it, but you only win if you sing it.
भाभी तेरा देवर दीवाना हाय राम कुड़ियों को डाले दाना.
Okay, that's the end of it. Thank you all for joining. I think you guys cracked the game very quickly and we had a very short game. I hope you enjoyed the game, and thank you, sisters, for participating.
A few words. This is interesting. I'm very interested. I enjoyed the whole thing. Okay, all the best for the next round. Next
Yes,
round.
Father, thank you.
Good night. And thank you for
Bye.
inviting me. And thank you for inviting me.